It's raining here in Tokyo, the cherry blossoms are out, and I thought, let's go take some pictures. This is pretty nice looking. Let's see if we can get a picture here. It's about 17 degrees out, I think. So even with the rain, it's pretty nice right now. I think the rain adds a lot of nice mood for photos. So when I was coming home on the bus, I saw an area that I'd like to go to just north of our house. So let's go check it out. Now, it wouldn't be a night out taking pictures in Tokyo if we didn't stop off at 7-Eleven and get some snacks and some sustenance. So let's do that now. Whoa, this temple looks pretty crazy in the rain. I'm not allowing myself to use the map to find this place, so we might end up some dead ends. I really like this scene here. The fronts of kindergartens in Japan are either incredible or complete nightmares, depending on your point of view. Somebody's workshop. I don't know why I like this sort of thing so much. It's just really satisfying. We found it. What's up, buddy? That was pretty cool seeing the train there. And man, what a beautiful street. It's crazy that I live close to this. I can't believe it. so I found a place selling bentos. So I bought one. I guess I could have recorded the interaction, but kind of awkward. Let's get some Tansan. Okay, but this restaurant, this place smells so good. I can't believe it. I gotta go there. It's 9 p.m. and I got my food, so I think I'm gonna call it quits for now. But that was a very successful walk, I think. Discovered a core piece of the Shibamata neighborhood, and dang, is that area ever beautiful. The wonders of Japanese pizza delivery.